chapter complex number, which is the pillar of mathematics, and even board and JEE level, it plays an important role. Let's start. Complex number. Actually, complex number introduced because in coordinate and vector, we had some drawback. In coordinate geometry, which you are taught even in junior class, it has two components, x and y. But in coordinate, there is some limitation. What limitation? You can add 2 points in coordinate geometry. You can even subtract 2 points, but you cannot multiply 2 points. Then the limitation covered by vector. In vector, you see, you can add 2 points. Let's see, this complex number can be written as xi plus yj. It can be written in vector in one step advance, because in vector, addition, multiplication, subtraction is there, but there is no division. Complex number is one step ahead. X plus iy. Here, x is in coordinate, x is real component, y is also real component, but in complex number, x is real but y is imaginary. In our daily phenomenon, how can you bring the concept of complex number? Actually, in real number, you see, the thing which you are describing or narrating, that is present in the real world. But when it becomes abstract, that means it plays in the subconscious mind, then it is called complex number, imagination. So this complex number is superset of all set. Means in real number, there is some limitation. Complex number, that limitation is somehow overcome. Okay, it has more property. All properties of real number will be confined in complex number, but complex number has some more property. Like, you know, normally we are saying water in English, in Hindi pani, but the matter is same. Here also, coordinate, vector, complex number, matrix are all same. So we are describing a point in different branches. Okay, complex number is much more advanced in that. Now, that complex number, real number, how will you explain? Real number will be confined in script R. Then where can I put the complex number? In Z. This is called Argand plane. Argand plane. There is the plane of space in which complex number are kept. Now, what is the significance of this I? What kind of number is those complex numbers? Suppose you have got a quadratic equation like this. X square plus 1 is 0. Then what is x square? Minus 1. Is it possible in real number? No. Why? In real number, no square number will be equal to minus 1. But it is possible in complex number. Why? X will be root minus 1. Under root minus 1 or any negative value is not possible to occur. So I will explain it by, I will denote it by I. It is called iota. I stands for iota, Greek word. In English, imagination, the first alphabet I is chosen to imply that. So I is root minus 1. From here, you can get different value of I square, that root will be removed, minus 1, I cube, that is I square into I, that means minus 1 into I, that is minus I. and so on. So this is the basics of complex number.